Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you are new here then hello. I do makeup videos and lifestyle videos and things like that, so if that sounds something you might be interested in, make sure you subscribe down below. So you probably will have seen all these eating certain colour foods for a day challenge. I thought they were really interesting, so I thought I'd do one. As you can tell by my room, if you've ever seen my channel before, if you've ever seen me before, my favourite colour is pink. Everything I do is pink. I just love pink. I don't know why, I don't know where it came from. I just love it. So I thought I would add a bit of a twist to the eating certain colour foods for a day challenge. I'm going to be using all things pink for a day. So I've already started off by brushing my teeth with pink toothpaste. I have also had a shower and used pink body wash and a pink like scrubby glove, and I'm wearing all pink. I have one hand painted pink, but the other hand I got too tired so I didn't do that, but one hand's pink. And then I'm also wearing pink eyeshadow, pink blush, pink lipstick, and I used a pink primer and pink sponge, pink brushes, all that kind of thing. So yeah, today basically I'm going to be showing you me eating pink foods for 24 hours, and everything that I can I'm going to use like the actual things of pink, so like toothbrush, toothpaste, all that kind of thing. So yeah, if you would like to see what I eat today, then carry on watching and make sure you comment down below what other videos you would like to see, and yeah, make sure you give the video a like and let's get on with it. Okay, so for my breakfast I'm going to make like a smoothie ice cream bowl type thing. So I'm going to use some oatmeal, some frozen bananas, and then I have this like pack of frozen mixed berries, and I'm just going to use the strawberries and the raspberries because the black currants and the blackberries will turn it purple, so hopefully the strawberries and the raspberries will turn it pink. Okay, so my pink smoothie bowl ice cream type thing is done. So I'm going to have this for my breakfast and I'll be back later to show you my lunch. Okay, so for lunch, as I said, my lighting in here is terrible, so I'm literally having to use my phone light to light my face up because they're all downwards facing lights. It's terrible. But today I'm going to make some beetroot falafels and some like peach, like a light peach coloured sriracha mayo. So I'm going to add 1 can of chickpeas, and I'm just going to blend these until they're a lot like smaller. And then I'm going to add some beetroot, and this is what's going to hopefully turn it pink, we hope. So I'm just going to add a few pieces of this, we don't want too much. So you could just like season this and then use this as like hummus, but I'm going to add my seasonings, then add some flour and bake them to make like falafels, but you could just use this as some pink hummus. So on the recipe there are specific amounts, but I'm just going to add random amounts of the seasonings and hope for the best. So I'm adding thyme, some mixed herbs, oops that's a lot, garlic, some paprika, some coriander, some pink Himalayan sea salt, and finally just some cumin. So I'm just going to put like a tablespoon per falafel onto this tray. I'm just going to kind of make them into little like dollops. So there's probably enough in the mixture to make another 3 or 4, but I've managed to make 7 that fit on my dish. So I'm just going to put this into my cooker now and do it for 15 minutes and then flip them and do it for another 10 minutes I think. Okay, so whilst my falafels are cooking, I'm going to make like a dip to dip them in, and I'm hoping that if I mix sriracha and some mayo, because this is red and white, it's going to make like a peachy kind of pinky kind of dip. That's what I'm hoping. I'm not sure if it's going to do it, but Okay, so it's kind of like a peachy, orangey colour. This was a lot more, the sriracha was a lot more orange than I thought. So I'm literally just going to take like a bit of pickle juice and mix it in, because sometimes when you're eating all pink, you just got to do what you've got to do. Okay, so there we go, we have a pink dip. Okay, so terrible lighting, but falafels are done, the dip is done, so I'm going to try it on. That's good. So for dinner I'm going to be making a beetroot risotto. So I'm going to hope that the beetroot kind of like turns the risotto rice pink, and I'm also going to add in some tomatoes, some mushrooms, and hopefully they turn pink as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed seeing me make my dinner, and yeah, that is the end of the video. I'm not really hungry, I'm just kind of want to go to bed. So yeah, that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you would like to see any more videos like this, and what meal was your favourite, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Would you make any of them? Would you try any of them? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!